Hello everyone, my name is Ray M. Kahapay and I am an automotive student. Today, I will be sharing my goals in life, the improvements I plan to make this semester, and the importance of this subject in achieving those goals. One of my main goals in life is to become a successful automotive technician or engineer. I want to be skilled in diagnosing and fixing vehicles and possibly work in a well-known automotive company or even build my own repair shop someday. I chose this goal because I am passionate about cars and how they work. I enjoy learning about engines, troubleshooting problems, and improving vehicle performance. To achieve this goal, one drastic improvement I will make this semester is to become more disciplined and consistent in both my studies and hands-on practice. I believe discipline is important because being an automotive professional requires accuracy, patience, and strong technical skills. If I improve my study habits and spend more time practicing in the workshop, I will gain better knowledge and experience. For example, I will manage my time better, avoid procrastination, and make sure I understand each lesson deeply instead of just memorizing. This improvement helped me become more competent and confident in my skills. This subject is very important in achieving my goal because it provides me with the foundational knowledge and skills needed in the automotive field. Through this subject, I can learn proper techniques, safety procedures, and the correct way of handling tools and equipment. It also helps me understand how different automotive systems work. The subject Civil Welfare Training Service or CWTS might seem unrelated at first to being an automotive student, but it actually plays a meaningful role in helping you reach your goals, just in different way than technical subjects do. First, CWTS builds your sense of responsibility and discipline. In the automotive field, especially if you plan to work in repair, manufacturing, or even run your own shop, discipline and reliability are just as important as technical skills. Clients trust mechanics who are responsible and consistent, traits that CWTs help develop. Second, it strengthens your teamwork and communication skills. In real automotive work, you rarely work alone. You coordinate with other mechanics, service advisor, and customers. CWT's activities like community projects train you to cooperate, lead, and communicate clearly, which directly applies in a workshop or company setting. Third, CWTS develops your social awareness and ethics. As an automotive student, you'll eventually deal with customers who rely your honesty. CWTs encourage helping others and acting with integrity, which is crucial in avoiding unethical practice like overcharging or dishonest repairs. Fourth, improves your problem solving and adaptability. Community work often involves unexpected challenges, and this mindset carries over the automotive troubleshooting, where diagnosing vehicles issue requires patience, creativity, and critical thinking. CWTS helps you become a well-rounded individual, not just a skilled technician. Employers today values character, leadership, and community involvement just as much as technical ability. In short, CWTs may not teach you how to fix engines, but it helps you shape into a responsible, ethical, and effective professional, qualities that are essential to succeed in the automotive industry.